Hello there, I'm back again, hat on head. Today I want to do something a little special. I want to pay homage to Game of Thrones, which 6 out of 8 seasons was great, one of the greatest. I also want to pay homage to Ser Davos, the Onion Knight, because he was such a great character, so wise, such a leader. So today I plucked an onion out of the bin and I'm going to cook it up. I'm going to roast this onion because Davos smuggled a boatload of onions into Storm's End. He fed the people on onions, saved them from starving while they were under siege from the Tyrels. And he saved the day, which got him knighted. And some of his fingers cut off because, you know, Stanis was such a strict guy. He rewarded him with knighthood, but chopped his fingers off for the crime of smuggling. I did no prep on this. I just dropped it into the oven, 30 minutes at 350 degrees. So here we go. Let's cut this guy. There we go. Is that beautiful? Look at how beautiful. Roasted onion, very sweet, much better than I thought it was going to be. Final note, I made this video as a fun project. I just wanted to pay tribute to Game of Thrones, to Ser Davos. I gotta say the end result was really delicious. It was sweet, moist, tasty. It was so good, in fact, that I made another one the next day and I ate them both. I wouldn't recommend you making a full meal out of this thing the way I did. The only time I would do that is if I was, in a castle under siege, knew a guy with a boat, or maybe wrap it in aluminum foil, throw it in the campfire. I would serve it as a side dish for a meal though. For every 2 people or every 4 people, throw in 1 onion and divide it up accordingly on the side, instead of those little pearl onion things. It was really, really good. It was a lot of fun to make, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you had fun with it too. So there we go. Merry Christmas, and subscribe.